Let's learn A to Z kitchenwares. A for apron. B for bowl. C for cutting board. D for dish rack. E for egg beater. F for fork. G is for grater. H for hot pad. I for ice tray. J for juicer. K for knife. L for ladle. M for measuring cup. N for napkin. O for oven tray. P for pan. Q for quiche pan. R for rolling pin. S for spoon. T for tongue. U for utensils. V for vegetable peeler. W for whisk. X for X small container. Y for yogurt maker. Z for Zester. Thanks for watching, kids. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye, cuties.